Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya from Batch 3 and today we, the Batch 3 students, are going to present a project synopsis presentation on anomaly detection of human activity through surveillance video. Before that, let me introduce my teammates Bhumika and Hita. And I welcome our guide Santosh sir, our reviewer Shobha ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, and Dr. Lokesh sir for our project presentation. Let's begin with the introduction. Now, anomaly means it refers to the problem of finding patterns in the data which do not match to the expected behavior. It means if we label anything as normal behavior, the condition or the pattern which does not match with that behavior is termed to be as anomaly. Like if we take in our daily lives, if we take the example of X-rays, the X-ray of the bone, we let us consider two examples where the normal bone X-ray and the fractured bone X-ray. If we take the normal one, it is termed to be normal by considering the healthy bone structure of that image, and the fractured one, it it differs from the normal one, so it is considered to be the anomaly. And if we take another example like the vegetables in the market, which are fresh is said to be the normal, and which are rotten is said to be the abnormal, and it is termed as anomaly there. So likewise, these are the examples that can be given to easily understand what's the meaning of anomaly. And here, main aim of our project is to develop the system which automates the process and detect the anomalies in a scene. So, in a scene means like if you take a thief, thefting, murder, or anything which is not a normal behavior, it can be considered as anomaly. But presently, there is a system which needs the continuous monitor of a particular person who has to continuously monitor the system. So there is no automated system which can easily identify which is normal or abnormal behavior. So we are planning to develop a project which automates these processes and easily detect the anomalies which are present in a scene. So our aim is to provide a security for the society in terms of this project, which easily identify the anomalies in a scene. And coming to the objectives of our project, detection of human object from the video input and extraction of such frames becomes the first objective, where video is in where the input video is provided into the system, and that system extracts such frames from that input video. And the second objective comes like identification of human behavior from the extracted frames. And nextly, classification of human behavior and analysis of human behavior for anomaly detection, and finally, the prediction of anomalies in a scene. Let's move into the existing system, which will be continued by Hita. Over to you, Hita.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Coming to existing system, in present practice, the monitoring of a normal behavior of a people is done by human. The appointed officer or the security guard monitor the real-time video captured from the surveillance camera. This requires utmost alertness of a person who is monitoring the real-time video in order to assure that no harm is caused by the abnormal behavior of a person. Hence, it is not possible for a person to be continuously present all the time to monitor video. In other scenario, the captured video which will be stored in memory card containing all the details is inserted into the system. Then the details will be fetched and later it will be delivered to the concerned person, which is time consuming. Hence, in order to overcome these problems, we have proposed a system where the system will detect the abnormal behavior of a person from the captured real-time video. Then frames are extracted where the humans are identified, and later if there is any abnormal behavior of a person is detected, and it will be notified to the concerned person. Thank you. Over to you, Bhumika.
Thank you, Hita. Uh, Coming to methodologies, initially the real-time videos are uploaded automatically into the system. Frame extractions are done from the uploaded videos. The interesting points are extracted from the image, and then each of the region around these points are classified. After object detection, that is human, the activity of the human will be analyzed and will be classified as an anomaly if there are any abnormalities. Then after that, if there are any abnormality, the owner or a concerned user will be notified about this. Then coming to the pending work, actually in the milestone 1, we have just came across the problem statement and what is the solution of that problem. Then collecting of different data sets that can be used for the anomaly detection. Secondly, we have referred to literature survey papers, and yes, we thought to study a detailed literature survey on existing approach. By doing that, we get to know detailed limitations of the existing system.